Hi everyone, I am Chloe. Today I want to share my daily schedule with you. I will speak very slowly and clearly so you can follow the story. You will practice listening to common English words about daily habits. This is a great exercise for your English skills. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. My phone vibrates and I open my eyes. Sometimes I feel a bit lazy, but I know I need to start my day. I stay in bed for 2 minutes and think about my plans. Then I stand up and walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I splash my face with cool water. It makes me feel fresh. I brush my teeth and comb my hair. Sometimes I put on a little bit of perfume. After that, I head to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast quickly. I usually have a bowl of yogurt with honey and nuts. Sometimes I eat a banana or a slice of melon. I always make a warm cup of coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It helps me feel energetic and happy. While I drink, I check my emails or look at my calendar. I like to see what tasks I have for the afternoon. After breakfast, I return to my bedroom. I decide what to wear for the day. I usually choose a skirt and a comfortable blouse. If it is rainy, I wear my waterproof boots. Then I put on my jewelry and look in the mirror. I check my backpack. I make sure I have my laptop, my charger, and my notebook. Finally, I grab my umbrella and leave my apartment. I am ready to begin my journey. After I leave the building, I walk to the subway station. The station is very close, only a 3-minute walk. I see many students and workers there. Everyone is busy moving to different places. I usually take the train to my office. The trip lasts about 25 minutes. The train is often noisy, but I find it interesting. I sit near the door and read a magazine. Sometimes I listen to an English podcast. Sometimes I just look at the other passengers. When I arrive at my destination, I enter the tall office building. I wave hello to the receptionist at the front desk. I take the stairs to the second floor. That is where my department is. I start my work at 8:30 a.m. I work in a modern office with a great view. I sit at my desk and open my laptop. First, I reply to urgent messages. Then I create a list of goals for the morning. My job is challenging, but I like it. I design websites, talk to my team, and solve problems. I also have creative brainstorming sessions with my colleagues. We share ideas and support each other. In the morning, I focus on my projects for a few hours. At 1 p.m., I have my lunch break. I go to the small canteen or a local cafe. I usually bring a salad from home. I like tomatoes, cucumbers, and grilled chicken. Sometimes I go to a bakery and buy a fresh sandwich. I eat lunch with my work friends. We talk about our hobbies, new movies, or travel plans. It is a wonderful time to rest and have a laugh. After lunch, I feel recharged and ready to continue. I drink a glass of water or a fruit juice. Then I go back to my computer and finish my designs. I usually leave the office at 5:30 p.m. I shut down my computer, tidy my desk, and say goodbye to everyone. I feel a little tired, but I am satisfied with my progress. I take the stairs down and walk out of the building. The air outside feels cool and pleasant. I walk back to the subway and wait for the next train. The ride home is about 25 minutes long. On the way, I sometimes look out the window and relax my mind. Sometimes I listen to pop music or just close my eyes. When I get home, I take off my coat and put my keys in a small bowl. Then I change into my cozy home clothes, like leggings and a big sweater. I feel very peaceful when I am in my own space. I go to the kitchen and drink some herbal tea. I rest on the sofa for about 15 minutes. I stretch my body, close my eyes, and enjoy the silence. Sometimes I turn on the radio and listen to the news. Other times I look at some photos on my camera. If I am very tired, I just sit and do nothing. Around 7:30 p.m., I go to the kitchen to make dinner. I usually cook something healthy, like steamed fish with rice or a vegetable soup. I like to listen to a relaxing playlist while I cook. Preparing food helps me feel calm. When dinner is ready, I sit at my small table and eat slowly. I don't watch TV or use my phone. I try to focus on the taste of the food. After I finish, I wash the plates and wipe the table. I like to have a clean kitchen. It helps me feel organized. After dinner, I have some personal time. Sometimes I watch a documentary or a comedy show. Sometimes I call my sister or send photos to my parents. Other times I practice drawing in my sketchbook or just listen to jazz. My evenings are quiet and relaxing. I love having time to myself after a busy day. It is my time to reflect and enjoy my hobbies. Around 10 p.m., I start getting ready for sleep. I go to the bathroom first. I brush my teeth very carefully for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with warm water and soap. It feels very relaxing after a long day. Sometimes I put on some lavender oil. It helps me feel very sleepy and soft. After that, I go to my room and put on my pajamas. My pajamas are silk and very light. Dark purple trousers and a matching top. I hang up my clothes and put my shoes away. I like to keep my bedroom very neat. A tidy room helps me have good dreams. Then I turn off the main light and turn on a small lamp on my desk. I close the blinds and open the window slightly for some fresh air. My room becomes very still and peaceful. I cherish this quiet moment. I sit on my bed and open my diary. I like to write down my thoughts before I sleep. Sometimes I write about my work. Sometimes I write about my dreams for the future. Writing helps my heart feel light. After writing, I put the diary back in the drawer. Then I sit for a minute and think about my day. I ask myself, what was the best part of today? What made me smile? What am I looking forward to tomorrow? Thinking like this makes me feel happy. Around 10:45 p.m., I switch off the lamp. The room is dark and quiet. I lie down and pull the duvet up to my chin. I close my eyes and take a slow breath. I feel very grateful for my life. Even if the day was difficult, I know tomorrow is a fresh start. I smile softly and whisper, "Good night, Chloe." And then I fall into a deep sleep.